Hi, welcome to Jimmy's Food Reviews, special road trip edition. What up, guys? Welcome to a brand new episode of Jimmy's Food Reviews. Today, we're going to be looking at an older beverage, but a classic one nonetheless, water. I know this is a little bit outdated. Most of you at this point are probably Gatorade fans, drink more Gatorade than water. But I personally believe water has a lot of strengths as a beverage. So let's get right into it. Water is made up of two things, hydrogen and 2 parts oxygen. It's what really keeps it together, as some might say. It really keeps the concoction relevant. So water, as you may or may not know, no smell whatsoever. Just one interesting feature of it. I don't know why. And when you take a taste, no taste. Now, I know a lot of you might be thinking, why am I going to drink a beverage like water with no smell and no taste when Gatorade has both smell and taste? But let me tell you, when you're cold, after you just played a little game of beach volleyball, nothing goes down smoother than a cup of cold water. There's just nothing like it. I know you millennials prefer your Gatorade, but for me, this is 4 Jimmys out of 5. That's it. See you next time in another episode of Jimmy's Food Reviews. Hi, I'm Jimmy and welcome to Jimmy's Food Reviews. Today, we're going to look at an old item but a classic nonetheless, water. Boy, this takes me back to the days in the mountains of New Hampshire where we didn't have water.